Ayanokoji's ruthless discipline trick, how he controls himself, and you can too. Have you ever looked at someone like Ayanokoji and thought, how can he stay so calm? So unaffected? So, in control? He doesn't flinch. He doesn't panic. He doesn't lose himself. But what if I told you? It's not magic. It's not talent. It's discipline. And today, I'm going to show you the exact psychological trick Ayanokoji uses to build an unbreakable mind, and how you can train yourself to use it in the real world. This is something so few people talk about, but it might be the most powerful tool for leveling up your life. So don't blink. Because if you miss 1 second, you might miss the one idea that could change everything. Step 1, discipline is not motivation, it's identity. Most people wait to feel like it. Ayanokoji doesn't. He doesn't ask how he feels. He asks, what needs to be done? See, discipline isn't about willpower. It's about identity. Say this. I'm not trying to be disciplined. I am disciplined. Start telling yourself, I'm the type of person who follows through. Who finishes. Who doesn't skip steps. This is how Ayanokoji operates. His actions aren't reactive. They are strategic. And so must yours be. Step 2, the 5-minute rule, used in military mind training. There's a powerful rule used by elite soldiers, Olympic athletes, and high-level thinkers. If it takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. This rule destroys procrastination. The moment your brain says, I'll do it later, ask. Can I just do the first 5 minutes? Whether it's writing, working out, cleaning, or preparing, once you start, momentum takes over. Ayanokoji uses this constantly. Not because the task is easy, but because action wins over emotion. Start small, finish big. Step 3, use negative visualization to build mental armor. This one is dark, but powerful. Every morning, visualize the worst-case scenario. What if you fail? What if you lose everything? What if no one comes to save you? This isn't to scare you. It's to prepare you. Ayanokoji imagines every angle. Every betrayal. Every variable. That's why he's never surprised. And why you shouldn't be either. Practice Stoic training. Negative visualization builds emotional immunity. Step 4, reward delayed gratification, like a game. Here's the truth. People who win in the long term are those who learn to delay pleasure. Ayanokoji never chases the high. He waits. He builds. He invests. Try this. Set a goal. Delay a reward until it's finished. Train your brain to associate success with discipline. For example, I don't touch my phone until I finish studying. I don't eat until I finish my workout. This simple practice builds insane control over your mind. And the world respects those who can control themselves. Step 5, operate in silence. Discipline thrives in silence. Don't announce your goals. Don't beg for validation. Just work. Let results speak. This makes you powerful. Mysterious. Unstoppable. When you stop performing for others, you start performing for yourself. That's the Ayanokoji mindset. Real life challenge, build ruthless discipline today. I want you to take this seriously. Today, right now, I challenge you. Choose one thing you've been avoiding. Use the 5-minute rule. Start now. Use delayed gratification. No reward until it's done. Then come back and comment below, I took the challenge. I want to see who's serious. Summary, how Ayanokoji controls himself. Discipline is identity, not emotion. Take action fast with the 5-minute rule. Visualize failure to build mental strength. Delay rewards to rewire your mind. Move in silence. Let them wonder. Discipline isn't about being better than others. It's about being better than your past self. Now ask yourself, what would Ayanokoji do? Then go do it. Subscribe if you want more mind hacks, psychological breakdowns, and strategies to dominate your life. And comment below, what's one discipline habit you're going to start today?